Okay, so dito tayo sa ating final draft after shifting await. Example number 3, na? Okay, so here a ship is floating at the draft forward of 8.5 meters and draft up of 8.8 meters. LCF is measured amidship, no? Amidships, which is negative 6.7 meters. And then your LBP is 150 meters. And the MCTC is 437.5 tons meter. Calculate the final drafts if a weight of 100 tons is shifted forward to a distance of 70 meters. No? Okay, so step 1 is to calculate the change of trim, which is weight times distance divided by MCTC. So ang ating weight is 100 tons times, okay, so 70. So remember yung aking rule, which is shifting forward will be negative, no? And then that divided by the MCTC will give you 16. 100 times 70 negative divided by 437.5 equals, okay, so negative 16, that is by the head, ano? By the head. And then change of draft off, that is, nakita niyo, because this is measured amidships. Kung gusto mong gamitin yung ating formula, which is LCF times change of trim over LBP, ay you must convert this first, no? Ibig sabihin, i-apply mo muna yan, that is 1/2 LBP plus LCF. Kaya lang, dito na lang natin gamitin yun, no? So 1/2 LBP plus LCF, that is multiplied by the change of trim divided by the LBP. So 1/2 times 150 yung ating LBP, plus negative 6.7, that will give you, and then multiplied by 16 and divided by 50. So tingnan natin sa calculator. Okay, so 1/2 is 0.5. So parenthesis 0.5 times 150. Pwede na tayo mag-plus directly. Plus 6.7 negative, parenthesis, multiply it by 16 negative, and divide it directly by 150. Okay, so it will give you negative 7.28. Pero i-round off mo na yung decimal para whole centimeter, whole value of centimeter. Kasi ano rin natin yan, i-transfer din natin sa meters. So i-divide it by 100, which will become negative 0.07 meters. No? Okay, gano'n lang, no? Gano'n lang yung i-apply mo na formula, no? And then, change of draft forward, that is, okay, so meron tayong ibang formula, pero hindi ko nagagamitin yun, ha? Meron akong pinakita, bahala na kayo kung gusto nyo gamitin, basta nandun na yun, ano? Pero siguro maganda rin minsan, subukan, eh. Okay, so this is change of trim minus change of draft off, that is negative 16 minus negative 7 will become positive, and then positive negative will become negative eventually, you know. So 16 minus 7, that is negative 9. And if kung naguguluhan ka, then you can use your calculator, no, for that. Tapos if you remember, tingnan ko nga para masubukan ko kung tama yung aking pagkasulat, ano, which is, sabi ko ay LBP minus LBP minus LCF, and then times change of trim over LBP. Tingnan natin kung tama ako, baka naman ako nagkamali, na para ma-revise ko, no? Okay, so that is 150 ang LBP minus LCF mo is Ang LCF natin, this is, ang LCF kasi natin ay supposed to be measured from, so i-convert pa natin ito, i-convert pa natin, which is 75 minus 6.7. So i-convert muna natin, Okay, convert muna natin. That is 1/2 LBP. 75 minus, or plus pala, plus 6.7 negative. Okay, kaya lang may minus ko na eh. So meron tayong 68.3, 68.3. So ang LBP mo is 150 minus 68.3, 81.7 times change of trim, which is 16 negative, and then divided by 150. Okay. So nakita mo, this is your answer. So i-round up mo lang yan, that is 9 din, di ba? Minus 9. Di ba? If you are going to use the formula, ganun din ang magiging sagot, Which is, this is the draft, change of draft forward. Yan ang formula, Kaya lang, pagka ganito, na yung LCF mo is, okay, so pwede natin palitan yan, Pagka change of draft forward, so madali ko lang yan palitan. LBP minus, minus 1/2 LBP plus LCF. Yan. LCF na measured amidships. And then that is multiplied by change of trim over LBP. Yan. So LBP is 150 minus 1/2 is 0.5 times 150 plus 6.7 negative, parenthesis, ay wala pa, hindi pala ako nagparenthesis sa una. So mag-i-equals na ako, equals times 16 negative divided by 150. Okay, nakita niya, Pwede rin, So, meron na kayong mga formula dyan, Kaya lang, ba't ba kayo magpapakahirap pa, Ba't kayo magpapakahirap pa, maminus lang natin yung sa change of trim yun. Di ba? Pero pinapakita ko lang na you can also use a formula for this, for the change of draft forward, Di ba? Pero ang dali-daling mag-subtract bakit ka pa magpapakahirap doon? Malilito ka lang, di ba? Okay. Pero yun nga, pag naintindihan mo na to, tingnan mo ako, hindi ko naman saan ko nakuha ang formula yan sa libro. Hindi, iniisip ko lang kung kung saan siya papunta, which is galing din yan dito sa ating change of draft off. Kaso nga lang, kung alam mo kung nasaan yung triangle, okay, so let me go back para makita rin nyo, Nakita mo yung triangle, nandito, yung triangle, di ba? Ito yung derivation of the formula is from this triangle, Pero dito, same angle, pero magkaiba sila ng opposite, yung sukat ng opposite, at saka magkaiba na sila ng konti, At saka ng adjacent. Pero itong adjacent natin is given kasi that is isubtract mo lang doon sa LBP because from here to there is LBP, di ba? Isubtract mo lang yung LCF, then meron ka lang sukat for your adjacent side. Kaya na-derive ko yung formula without looking at any book, Kaya nga sabi ko, pagka marunong ka mag-derive ng formula, then you can play with the formulas now. Okay, so let's go to the next topic, which is Okay, ito na siya, ano? Okay, effect of loading and discharging, ano? Ano bang effect of loading and discharging? Okay. Dalawa lang naman ang kanyang effect, di ba? If you're going to load, syempre yung draft will increase kasi lulubog yung barko, ano? And if you discharge a weight from the ship, then your vessel will also will go up, ano, or your draft will decrease. No? Okay, so loading or discharging weights will cause bodily sinkage or bodily rise of the ship, and it is calculated by the formula sinkage or rise in centimeters is equal to weight times TPC. Okay, so kaya lang, do you remember TPC? Napag-aralan nyo ba ito? Tinanong ko kayo nung nakaraan yata, parang sabi nyo na napag-aralan nyo ito in the first half of our or of this semester. No? So what is TPC? Anyone?
Tons per centimeter immersion po.
Tons per centimeter immersion. So paano siya? Paano siya?
Ano po siya? Ratio po ng ratio po ng cargos in every centimeter of sinkage. Parang ganun.
Ratio? Is it a ratio? Can you consider that a ratio? I don't know if you can consider that a ratio. But you are correct, no? For every centimeter of immersion, there is a corresponding tonnage or tons or weight that is already tabulated. Ano? Okay. So, in-explain ba sa inyo yun o mahilig ka lang magbasa?
Na-explain naman po ng pahapyaw.
Na-explain yung papel lang. Okay, so maybe I will go back to kasi that is topic number 3 yata if I remember, no? Mas maganda kung balikan natin kahit pahapyaw din, ano? Okay, so let me open my PowerPoint. Okay, so this is topic 3, ano? Which is tons per centimeter immersion, TPC, ano? Okay, so tons per centimeter immersion or TPC, as the term itself suggests, is the number of tons displaced when the vessel is immersed by 1 centimeter. No? Displaced daw, ibig sabihin, kung ito yung barko mo, okay, let's say ito yung barko mo, no? Lalo pumangit yung aking drawing. Ngayon ito yung water level, tapos lumubog ka ng 1 centimeter. Okay, let's say this is 1 centimeter, no? If you collect all the water inside this 1 centimeter and put it in a weighing scale, that is the weight of the TPC, no? Which is tons per centimeter immersion, ano? Okay, so lagpasan natin yan ulit. Meron pang mas madali. Okay, so ganun, ano? That is yung tons per centimeter immersion. So pag nagtapyas ka dyan, nagtapyas ka ng 1 centimeter, tapos timbangin mo yung tubig doon sa loob, that is the TPC, which is already tabulated, and I will show you. Papakita ko sa inyo yung table ngayon. Including yung table na yung sinasabi ko, yung magkaiba yung LCF, which is measured amidships, and saka yung isa na measured from the aft perpendicular, which is called the FOAP, forward of aft perpendicular. Okay, the TPC for any given draft is the weight that is equivalent to the displacement of a slice of 1 centimeter. Slice, no? So, hindi siya constant. Hindi siya constant kasi our ship is ship shape. Katulad dito, pag dito ka, mas madami yan. Pag dito ka sa ilalim, mas konti yan, ano. But if your vessel is box type, katulad dito, yung box type, no, siyempre, rectangular yan, kahit saan ka pumunta, then that is, your TPC is constant. Kasi box type. Okay, so nakita mo, this is a slice, no? Slice of 1 centimeter. Ngayon, kung if we are going to measure the water inside this slice, that is the TPC, you know? TPC. Okay, consider a ship floating at the salt water, that is 1.025 relative density. If we load 52 tons of weight and the mean draft increases by 1 centimeter, then the 52 tons of weight is equal to TPC. Kung sakali lang na natsambahan mo na 52 tons, ay lulubog siya ng 1 centimeter, that is equivalent to your TPC, no? Okay, so nakita mo dito, no? This is TPC. Nakita mo meron tayong TPC, which is for the draft of 1.5 meters, your TPC is 28.25 tons. So this is tons per centimeter, no? And then I can show you also. So nakita mo dito yung LCF. Ito, LCF, di ba? That is the XF. LCF yan. Tapos yung LCB, XB. Nakita mo, this is measured from the aft perpendicular. Ngayon, I will show you a hydrostatic table that is different. No? Ito. Hindi na makita yung graph. Okay, so nakita mo dito, no? This is, nasaan yung TPC? Nandun yung TPC, nakita mo, this is a larger vessel. Kasi nakita mo yung kanyang TPC is 88. Ibig sabihin, 1 centimeter lang, 88 na kaagad. So, ibig sabihin, malaking barko ito. Especially that the draft is already high. Na? Ganyan, ano? So, dito naman yung sinasabi ko, ano? As you can see, yung ating LCF at saka yung LCB is meron siyang negative. It means this is measured from amidships. Nakita nyo? Measured from amidships. Hindi katulad ng isa that is FOWAP, measured from aft perpendicular, and it is called forward of aft perpendicular. So dito naman amidships. Okay, so let's go back doon sa ating okay, so we can now use the formula for sinkage or rise, that is weight divided by the TPC. Gamit natin mamaya na. Okay, procedure for loading a weight. Load the weight at the LCF position. But don't take it literally. Ibig sabihin yan, kahit saan ka mag-load na part of the vessel, then you need to take into account the position of the LCF or the longitudinal center of flotation. Kasi dyan tayo nagtitrim, no? Yan nagtitrim yung vessel. If you remember, na parang siso, di ba? Kasi if you take that literally, pag nag-load ka ng weight doon sa LCF lahat, sa gitna yon, mababali yung barko sa gitna, no? Kaya hindi gano'n, ano? Okay, calculate the sinkage using the formula above and the given TPC value from the tables. That is step 2 or number 2. Number 3 is to calculate the change of trim using the formula. Change of trim is equal to weight times distance divided by MCTC. Ito na yon, yung MTC doon. Ano? So dito talaga sa libro, saka sa school, MCTC. Pero kadalasan sa barko, hindi mo makita yung MCTC. MTC lang, no? Kaya nung when I was cadet, hinahanap ko yung MCTC. Pagdating doon, makita ko, wala namang MCTC dito, kundi MTC. No? Lalo na kung MTM. Kung hindi mo alam, wala na. No? Yun pala, yung MTM ay meter. That's why you need to divide that by 100 para makuha mo yung MTC or MCTC. Okay, D here is the distance from the LCF. So, tandaan nyo, This is different, no? Kung sinabing distance from the LCF, ibig sabihin nito, your distance is equal to the LCF minus your LC small g. Pero ito in other books, in most books, no? Ang ginagamit nilang LCG yung malaki, no? So dito kasi in-introduce ko sa inyo na yung malaking G ay that is the center of gravity of the ship. Tapos yung maliit na G, that is the center of gravity of your cargo. Pero kung makita nyo na malaki yung ginamit nila, walang problema yon kasi they are talking about, if the book is talking about the cargo, that is yung center of gravity of the cargo. No? Pero kung talking about the ship, that is the center of gravity of the ship. So huwag kayong malilito dyan sa aking inano na yan. Ano? Pwede rin yan na LCG. Okay lang yan. Yan. So that will be your formula, especially in programming, ano. Pero ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya, mayroong yung book kasi instead na mas madali kang matuto, ay although ang ganda ng aking kinukuha ng libro, ano. Imbis na mas madali kang matuto, ay minsan nakakalito, ano. We will see that in multiple ways. So yan ang distance. Bakit ganyan ang distance? Because that is measured from the LCF. Ganito, ano. Drawing ko dito. Okay, so if this is your vessel, let's say dito yung LCF, ngayon that is measured from the aft perpendicular. Okay, so sakali nag-load ka dito. Let's say ang LCF mo is 70, tapos nag-load ka dito sa may bandang 50 meters. So okay, so yung 50 na yan, that is measured from the aft perpendicular. Diba? Pero ang distance mo is from the LCF. Ito yung distance. Which is 20 meters lang, no? Ngayon, kung dito ka naman nag-load sa 100 naman, syempre yung measurement niyan is 100 from the aft perpendicular. Diba? 100 yan. Pero ang mini-measure natin distance is only here. This is your distance. Which is 70 minus 100, that is negative 30. Yeah? Negative 30. Ito ay 20 lang. Positive. Negative 30. No? So ganyan lang natin. No? But from the book, hindi ganyan. Siyempre, pag nag-minus yan, 100 minus 70, siyempre 30. Wala siya pakialam sa negative. Yeah? Pero sa ating ganyan, because we are working forward, that is negative. We are working off, that is positive. And then next is, okay, calculate natin yung, okay, change of trim na tayo, di ba? Find the change of draft by the formula. Ito na yung dati, no? Formula natin, change of draft is equal to LCF divided by the LVP times change of trim. Okay, so, kung napansin nyo yan na medyo nagkaiba, kasi yung aking ginamit nung una is LCF times change of trim, if you remember, divided by the LVP, pareho din ang result niyan, no? Pareho din kasi if you remember nating elementary na yung MDAS rule. Yung MDAS rule can be DMAS or pwede rin DIMSA. Ibig sabihin, yung multiplication pwedeng mauna sa division. Pwede rin mauna yung division sa multiplication. Pareho lang ang magiging result. Na? Basta mahuli yung addition. Mauna muna yung multiplication sa division bago addition. Intindihan niyo ba? Yung MDAS, if you remember that, no? Di ba? Yung MDAS rule, sakali ganito, no? 1 plus 2 divided by 2. Oh. Siyempre, pag sinagot mo yan, pag sinabi mong MDAS rule, mauna muna yung MD bago yung AS, addition or subtraction. No? Kaya hindi ka pwedeng mag 1 plus 2, bago mo i-divide by 2, mali na yun. Unahin mo muna itong division bago yung bago ka mag-addition. Diba? Yun ang sinasabi ko. Dito naman, dahil pareho naman silang multiplication at saka division, that is kahit anong mauna. Kaya ito kasi kinopya ko sa book. Nakalimutan ko na ito pala yung aking ginamit nung una para hindi kayo sana ano. Pero mas maganda rin para maintindihan nyo. At least ay paliwanag ko. Ano. Kung makakita kayo ng ganyan na formula, pareho din ang result. Okay, finally, calculate the final drops by applying the sinkage. And sinkage is always added kasi sink. Ibig sabihin, lalalim yung iyong draft. Kaya laging added, no? While mamaya, meron akong procedure for discharging yung rice. Rice is always subtracted naman. Ano? And the change of draft to be to the forward and aft draft. So, ano mo rin yun, i-apply mo rin yung change of draft. Marunong na tayo sa change of draft. That is plus aft minus forward. Diba? Oh, mamaya, tingnan natin. Ha? Okay, so here is an example. Example number 1. Yung nga lang, wala pala yung aking mukha din. Ano? Yun lang ang kagandaan doon sa ano, mayroon eh. Okay, a ship of 150 meters in length between perpendiculars has a draft forward of 8.5 meters and draft up of 8.2 meters. Calculate the final drafts if 250 tons is loaded 40 meters FOWAP. TPC is 22, MCTC is 190 tons meter. So remember that MCTC and TPC ay nakalagay niya 22 lang yan kasi that is tons per centimeter. Nandun na sa pangalan, tons per centimeter. Ito naman dahil MCTC yan, moment to change stream by 1 centimeter. So ibig sabihin yan per centimeter din yan. Tons meter per centimeter. No? And LCF is at 67 meters FOWAP. Okay, the solution, first step is to calculate the sinkage. That is weight divided by the TPC. So, ang ating weight is 250 tons and ang ating TPC is 22 tons per centimeter. I-divide mo yung dalawang yan, that is equal to 11 point something. So, mababa lang naman, huwag mo lang kunin. We can cancel the tons, then the result will be in centimeters. So, i-divide din natin para makita. No? So 250 divided by 22, that is your TPC, is equal to 250 divided by 22 is equal to 11.36. So 11 na lang ang kunin natin dyan. Ano? Ay, huwag na natin kunin yung decimal kasi didivide din natin ng 100 yan para makuha natin yung meter. So that is 0.11 meters. And then step 2 is to calculate the change of trim, that is weight times distance divided by the MCTC. And remember again that this is tons. Remember that your distance is from the LCF, so that is 67 ang ating LCF minus 40. And yung 190 dito is tons meter per centimeter. And the answer will be, okay. So 250 times 250 times okay, so 67 minus 40 parenthesis divided by 190 equals, nakita mo, this is 35.5. No, so dito ay 36 na, hindi ko na napalit ng dito, ano? This is 36 centimeters. And that is change of, that is positive. So, ano tawag dyan? Positive yan, that is by the stern. By the stern. And then next is calculate the change of draft aft. That is LCF over LBP times change of trim. So that is 67 LCF meters divided by 150 meters. Cancel mo na yung meters. And then multiply it by yung nakuha natin doon, 36 centimeters. It will give you 16.08 centimeters. So tanggalin mo na yung nailagay ko pa, tanggalin mo na yon. And then your the answer is, of course, okay, so tanggalin mo na rin. That is 0.16 meters. And then change of draft forward is equal to change of trim minus change of draft aft, that is 36 centimeters minus 16 centimeters is equal to 20 centimeters. So positive yung mga result, no? Okay, so this is always add. Calculate the final draft. So your initial draft is 8.20. Forward is 8.50. That is trim by the head, no? Sub-sub ka. Ngayon ito, laging plus to. Even in rice, no? Pag rice kasi, supposed to be babawas natin, pero ang formula will always be plus. Laging plus tayo. Bakit? Kasi meron tayong may negative tayo, no? Pag nag-subtract ka ng negative, maging plus ka ulit doon, no? So that's why this one, use always positive, ay plus. Kasi pag nag-plus ka dito, positive. Pag nag-plus ka ng negative, minus yun. And remember that sinkage will always be positive and the rise will always be negative ang result ng iyong calculation as long as you are going to use the plus or minus. Okay, so i-plus natin yan. That is 8.31 and 8.61. Sub-sub pa rin. And then we apply the change of draft. 16 lang change sa aft. And that is always plus. And lagi naman sa forward, that is always minus. Yan ang rule natin. Hindi natin babaliin yan. Ano? Okay, so the final draft will be, so plus mo yan, that is 8.47 and minus mo naman dito is 8.41. And finally, your final drafts will be by the stern. Hindi ka na sub-sub, no? Okay, so dito naman tayo, procedure for discharging a weight. That is, number 1 is to discharge the weight at the LCF position. Yun din, ano, hindi, don't take it literally din. Ano? Ibig sabihin, you must include that in your calculation, your LCF position. And then calculate the rise using the formula above and the given TPC value from the table. And then calculate the change of trim using the formula. Change of trim is equal to weight times distance divided by the MCTC. And remember that distance is the distance from the LCF. That is LCF minus LCG, no? Pwede mo rin sabihin LCF minus FOAP kasi yung FOAP kasi that is the direction, no? That is forward of aft perpendicular. Yung LCF nga mismo is FOAP. So that is not the that is understandable pero that is not correct. Ang correct is LCF minus LCG. No? LCG ng cargo. Okay, find the change of draft by the formula. Change of draft of is equal to LC. Binalik ko na yung formula. LCF times change of trim divided by LBP. Kasi mas madaling tandaan itong formula ko eh. Although pareho naman sila, di ba? LCF over LBP times change of trim. Pareho naman sila. Pero mas madali kasi ito. Ewan ko, parang sa tingin ko lang, mas madali tandaan yan. Kaya yan. Okay, and then finally, calculate the final drafts by applying the bodily rise. Rise is always subtracted. And the change of draft to the forward and aft drafts. Okay, ganun lang, no? So sinabi ko ba yung, okay, meron din tayong sample dito, which is a sheet of 150 meters in length between perpendiculars has a draft forward of 8.5 meters and draft up of 8.2 meters. Calculate the final drafts if 250 tons is discharged, 130 meters FOAP, TPC is 25 tons per centimeter, MCTC is 190 tons meter per centimeter, and LCF is at 67 meters FOAP. No? Okay, so we calculate the bodily rise. That is, yung bodily rise is weight over TPC. That is negative 250. Remember that we are discharging, no? Kaya yung ating weight is negative. Remember that, no? Lagi nating ginagawa yon, no? So that is negative 250 tons divided by your TPC, which is 25 tons per centimeter. So tons and tons can be cancelled. Your remaining unit will be in centimeters. So that is negative 10. 250 divided by 25 is 10. You do not need calculator for this. That is negative 10 centimeters and converted to negative 0.10 meters. No? Okay, then next is calculate the change of trim. That is weight times distance divided by the MCTC. That is negative 250. Remember again, that is this is negative, no? Negative 250 tons multiplied by the distance, which is, alam mo na yung distance, that is 67 meters minus 130, which will give you also negative, di ba? Divided by 190 tons meter per centimeter. That is your MCTC. Okay, so minus mo natin to para clear. So that is negative 63, no? So negative 250 tons times negative 63 meters divided by 190 tons meter per centimeter. That is, you can cancel the tons, you can cancel the meter, and then the remaining value, the remaining unit for your answer is centimeters. Okay, so nakita mo, and this is positive. So I need to show you sa calculator, no? Okay, so 250 negative times, di ba 63? O kaya pwede rin na doon tayo mag-solve. That is times parentheses and then 67 minus 130 close parentheses and then divided by 190. So your answer is 82.89. So that is 83 centimeters positive. Pag sinabing positive, alam nyo na yun, di ba? Isipin pa ba natin, ito-drawing pa natin? Just adhere to my rule, which is positive will be by the stern. No? So positive yan, by the stern. And remember that you are discharging. Okay, drawing ko na lang para maintindihan nyo. This is your vessel. Nag-discarga ka dito, no? From forward. Kasi 130 eh. If this is your off perpendicular, this is your distance is, okay, so your distance is 130. Samantalang ang LCF mo is only 67. Nandito lang banda. LCF 67. Yeah? Kaya ibig sabihin sa forward ka. Sa forward ka nagdiskarga. At what will happen if you are going to take a weight from forward? Siyempre gagaan yan, di ba? It will go up. This one will go up. This one will go down. Kaya ibig sabihin trim by the stern ka. Trim by the stern. Kaya yung change of trim will be by the stern. No? Pero ba't mo pa isipin yun? Eh may positive na tayo dito eh. Positive is by the stern. Di ba? Pag madalian yung akin, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, yan ay pangkatamaran. Hindi ka na mag-iisip. Di ba? Okay, so change of draft off, that is LCF times change of trim divided by LBP. Binalik ko na yung formula nyo. That is 67 times 83 centimeters, which is positive, divided by 150. Cancel mo yung meters. That is, okay, so pakita natin calculator din. So that is 67 times 83 divided by 150. That is 37, no? 37 centimeters positive. That is 0.37 meters divided by 100. No? And then forward, change of draft forward, that is change of draft forward, that is equal to change of trim minus change of the draft off. That is 83 centimeters yung ating change of trim minus change of draft off, that is 37 centimeters, will give you centimeters or 0.46. Okay, and then we will calculate the final trim or final drops. No, final drops. Okay, to calculate the final drops, okay, your initial drop is 8.20, your off, that is your off draft. 8.50, that is your forward drop, that is sub ka, di ba? Trim by the head. And then meron tayong rise. Okay, so remember that your rise is always added. Your sinkage and rise is always added. Kasi yung rise mo will give you negative results. So negative yan, that will be automatic na minus. No? Okay, so that is 8.2 minus 0.1 is 8.1. 8.5 minus 0.1 is 8.4. Sub ka pa rin. Ano? Still you are trimmed by the head. And then change of draft, that is your change of draft off is 37 centimeters. 0.37 positive, and then for the forward is 0.46 positive. And remember that off is always plus and forward is always minus. Hindi ka na mag-isip, bahala na yung magtama ng rule, bahala na yung calculator magtama ng rule. Okay, so your final drops is, siyempre, that is positive, then 8.47, and then 7.94. So, yan yung sagot mo lang. Any question? Now, we have multiple weights problem. Okay, so multiple weight problem must be worked using a tabular method, taking the moments about the LCF. Okay, so tabular method, alam nyo na yun, parang yung KG table natin, that is a tabular method. You know? Kagamit tayong table, which is block table, no? Okay, example, a ship of 180 meters in LBP, length between perpendiculars. A ship of 180 meters in length between perpendiculars, LBP, floating at drops 7.15 forward and 8.20 meters off, will work on the following cargoes. Okay, so we need to load 220 tons at LCG 40 meters FOWAP, load 145 tons at LCG 140 meters FOWAP, discharge 70 tons at LCG 55 meters FOWAP, and discharge 1,000 tons at LCG 94 meters FOWAP. Okay, calculate the final drops if the TPC is 25 tons per centimeter, MCTC is 170 tons meter per centimeter, and LCF is 79 meters FOWAP. Okay. Okay, so I will show you two methods, no? One is coming from the book, and one is coming from me, you know. So itong nasa baba sa akin, this is my technique. Ito naman isa galing sa libro, ano? So it's up to you kung anong gusto nyong gamitin. Siguro mas maganda gamitin nyo galing sa libro, hindi galing sa akin, ano? Depende kung may tiwala kayo, ano? Okay, so let's see, you know. So dito sa, this is from the book. As you can see, this is, if you remember, this is to be loaded. This one is to be loaded. This one is to be discharged. And this one is to be discharged also, no? Okay, siyempre this is taking the moments about the LCF. Kaya yung ating distance should be measured from the LCF. Remember the KG table, ang ating moment is about the kill. Kaya yung distance natin is about the kill, which is KG, no? Samantalang dito, this is taking the moments about the LCF. Kaya yung ating distance is coming from the LCF. Ibig sabihin, katulad nito, no? Ang LCF natin is 79 meters minus, ano yung LCG natin? 40. Okay, go back. Okay, nakita mo yung LCG natin 40, 140, 55, and 94, no? So, 40, 140, 55, and 94. Yan ang ating LCG, no? So, isubtract natin yung LCF or isubtract natin from LCF. That is, the result is 39, 61, 24, and 15, no? Ngayon, we are going to multiply this 220 times 39. That is equal to 8,580 stern moments. Pero bakit naging stern moments? Paano mo nalaman na doon mo siya ilalagay at hindi dito sa head moments? Yan ang galing sa libro, ha. May paliwanag naman siya, siyempre. Which is I will tell you, no? Okay, so if this is your vessel, remember that your LCF is nasa, your vessel kasi is 180 meters, no? LVP. So if this is your aft perpendicular, tapos dito na yung forward mo. So mula aft perpendicular hanggang dito, that is 180 meters. Ayun, yung LCG mo is nasa 79, ano? 79 meters, so somewhere here, hindi siya gitna. 79 meters, that is your LCF, no? Ngayon, this is, we are going to load 220 tons. So remember that this is tons. This is meters. This is tons meter. And this is tons meter, no? Para hindi ako sulat ng sulat dito ng tons meter. Understood na yan, ano? Okay, so you remember that we are going to load at LCG 40. Nasaan na LCG 40? That is measured from aft perpendicular kasi FOAP siya. So nandito lang banda yon. Lagpas ng kalahati nitong dalawa. Ito. That is 40 LCG. LCG na maliit, no? And remember that this is loading. Ano mangyayari pag nag-load ka doon? Ano mangyayari? Your vessel will be trimmed by the stern. Siyempre, di ba? Bibigat dyan. You will be trimmed by the stern. Kaya nandun siya sa stern moment. Okay, dito naman sa kabila, no? 145 times 61. Kasi ang moment is equal to weight times distance. That is 145 times your distance, which is 61, is equal to 8,845 head moments. So paano naman siya naging head moments? That is because saan tayo nagkarga? That is 140 meters somewhere here, no? Somewhere here, 140 LCG din. This is LCG. And this is loading also, no? So pababa. So ano mangyari kung pababa yan? That is bababa rin yung iyong forward draft. Diba? So that is trimmed by the head. That is head moments. No? Kaya okay na, no? While ito naman sa node, that is 70. Okay, so 70 naman, that is at the 55. You will discharge this at the position of 55 meters. So somewhere here, 55. This is 55 LCG. Ngayon, ito naman ay tatanggalin mo. So ano mangyayari kung tatanggalin mo yan? Ano mangyayari? Aangat yan. At kung aangat yan, bibigat doon sa lulubog yung iyong forward. So that is also head moments. Nakakalito ba? O kaya-kaya lang? Okay, how about 1,000? Ito, malaki-laki o 1,000, no? So ang ating LCG is 94. So it is somewhere here. That is 94 LCG, no? So ito ay tatanggalin mo din. Which is ang mabigat yan, 1,000, no? Ano mangyayari pag tinanggal mo yan dyan sa forward part? And remember that your vessel is parang seesaw at the at the LCF. Di ba? Ang mangyayari niyan ay aangat yan ng todo at siyempre pag umangat yan, yung weight dito will become heavier. So bababa naman dito sa iyong stern. So this is trimmed by the stern. That's why your moment is at the stern moments. No? Okay, so i-add natin yan. We add this. That is 23,580. This one is 10,525. And then i-minus natin. That is stern moment minus head moment. That is 525. 525. The result will be 13,055 positive. Positive na. Ano, kayang-kaya ba itong method na to? This is from the book. Ihiwalay mo muna yung head moments sa stern moments to obtain the trimming moment. Ano? So yung tawag dito is trimming moment. This is your trimming moments. Can you follow with that or not?
Kaya naman po, sir.
Oh, yan ang gamitin nyo, no? Okay, so I will show you my technique, no? Ang problema lang nito, in the book, merong nakahiwalay na column for weight kasi yung isang column may nakalagay na negative. Katulad nitong akin, no? Kasi hindi niya pwedeng kunin yung total niyan kasi positive lahat. Di ba? Samantalang dito sa akin, may, of course, that the discharge weight is negative. Lagi naman negative ang discharge weight, di ba? So ngayon, gamitin natin ang ating calculator. That is 220 plus 145 minus 70 minus 1,000 is equal. So may total na tayo kaagad. Ano? That is may total tayo na negative 705 tons. Remember yung ating rule. Ano ba yung rule natin? That is distance is equal to LCF minus LCG. Diba? Kaya dito ngayon magiging 79. That is your LCF. 79 minus 40 is equal to 39 minus 140 is equal to negative 61 minus 55, that is 24. And then the other one is 79 minus 94, that is negative 15. And 220 times 39, that is 8,580 positive. 145 times negative 61, that is negative 8,845. And then negative 70 times 24, that is negative 1,680. And then 1,000 negative times negative 15, that is negative times negative is positive, that is positive 15,000. And then if you take the algebraic sum of this, then the result will be 13,055. That is your trimming moment and that is positive. Okay, so gamitin nyo na lang yung anong gusto nyo gamitin dyan? Anong gusto nyo gamitin? Yung galing sa book or yung aking technique? Kasi yung aking technique, that is for ano tawag doon, for programming in the Excel. Kaya mas madali yan dahil siyempre programming eh. And if you can do that in Excel, di ba? Wala ka lang kahirap-hirap. Okay, so anong next step? The next step is to calculate the sinkage or rise. That is equal to weight over TPC, no? So ano yung weight natin? That is negative 705. Saan nakuha yan? Dito sa total. Algebraic sum nung yung weight. Yeah? Ibig sabihin yan, mas malaki yung diniskarga mo kaysa doon sa kinarga. Oh, discharging yan. Ano ibig sabihin ng discharging? That is price. Kaya cancel na natin sinkage dito. That is divided by the TPC. Ang TPC natin, I believe, is 25. TPC is 25 tons per centimeter. So that is 25 tons per centimeter. And this one is tons. No? And that is equal to, okay, so I'll show you. Calculator. 705 divided by 25. That is, okay, so as you can see, this is negative 28 centimeters. Bakit centimeters? Okay, so that is, remember, that is, this is tons. This is tons, cancel. Okay, naiwan is centimeters. So this is negative 28 centimeters. Pag mo na isali yung decimal. So this is 0.28 meters. Yan, no? Okay. Next step is yung ating change of trim. Ano bang formula ng change of trim? That is weight times distance. Remember that weight times distance is moment. Kaya ang gagamitin natin is trimming moment. No? Divided by MC TC. Ang trimming na moment natin is yung natin nakuha dito, ano, 13,055. Dito, ano? Nakuha mo dun sa dito or dito sa akin kung anong gusto mong gamitin. No? Sigurado ko itong akin ang gusto nyo gamitin dyan. Sigurado. Which is, that is 13,055 divided by MCTC natin. This is, of course, this is your trimming moment is tons meter. And yung ating MCTC, tignan natin yung MCTC is 170 tons meter per centimeter. No? So yung MCTC is 170 tons meter per centimeter. Yan magkakalituan ng ano, no? Kasi hindi nila alam na per centimeter ang MCTC at saka yung TPCI per centimeter din. Kung hindi naka-indicate dun sa table. No? Pero yung ibang table kasi maganda na naka-indicate. No? That is equal to, okay, so we use our calculator again. That is 13,055. Positive yun, no? That is a positive moment. Divided by 170 is equal to 76.79. That is 77, no? Positive. 77 centimeters. Bakit centimeters? Kasi cancel mo yan. Cancel mo yan. That is, naiwan ay centimeters. No? So that is your change of trim, which is positive is by the stern. By the stern. And then you calculate the change of draft of, that is equal to LCF times change of trim over LBP. Okay, LCF natin is 79 times change of trim is 77 centimeters, 79 meters, centimeters, divided by 180 meters. That is your LBP, no? That is equal to, cancel mo yung meters sa dalawa, maiwan na naman centimeters. Okay, so this is 79 times 77 divided by 180. That is 33.79, that is 34 centimeters positive, no? This is 34 centimeters, that is divided by 100, it is 0.34 meters. And then your change of draft forward is equal to the change of trim minus the change of draft aft, that is equal to 77 centimeters minus 34 centimeters is equal to, yan, 77 minus 34, that is 43 centimeters, that is 0.43 meters. Yan, okay na, ano? The last step is we need to calculate the final draft, no? And apply the rise, apply the change of trim, which is yung change of draft na, no? Okay, so ito na siya, no? Para hindi na kayo mahirapan. So your initial draft is 8.20 meters, 7.15 meters forward, and your rise is negative 0.28. So we can cancel the sinkage there. Yeah. And that is 7.92 and 6.87. Minus ko yan, no? And then your change of draft will be, okay, 0.34. And as I said, this is always plus in the aft position and always minus in the forward position. No? So that is a plus mo, that is 8.26. This one is subtract 0.43 will be 6.44. That is by the stern. And remember that this is by the stern din yan. This is by the stern also. This is by the final draft will be by the stern. Okay. So that will be your answer. No? Yan ang ibibigay nyo sa akin, including the solution. No? Including the solution. So ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo, mahaba naman itong oras natin. Meron pa kasi tayong dalawang problem. Okay, so I will show you. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung Excel para may idea kayo paano gumawa. Multiple weights. Okay. I-delete ko na kaya ito. Okay, so nakita mo, this is my program. No? Nakita mo, this is LCF 79, if you remember. TPC is 25. Tapos MCTC is 170. 180 is your LBP. And then this one is draft forward and this one is draft off. No? Ngayon, yung ating weight, ilalagay ko lang yung weight dyan. 220, 145, minus 70, minus 100. So automatic na yan na mag-auto sum siya. And then ilalagay ko lang yung LCG dito. LCG. Then automatic na yung program natin is, nakita nyo, kumuha siya ng sa formula bar that is $sign B $1. Ibig sabihin yan B1. Ano bang B1? That is your LCF. Ito. So, kaya ko nilagyan ng $sign para hindi siya lilipat. Di ba? Kasi pag yung dirinag ko yung formula, ito, dirinag ko to. Pag hindi naka $sign yan, ang kukunin niya yung B2. Tapos yung B3, tapos yung B4. No? So dito naman, ang kukunin niya yung lagi yung LCF. Which is LCF minus ito. Itong LCG. Kaya yan ang result will be negative and also positive yung iba. No? Tapos that will be multiplied. Ito, weight times 39. Automatically, dito, no? Kaya kaya-kaya niyong gawa ng program yan. Walang kahirap-hirap. Perfect nyo yan pag may program. No? And then, okay, so yung sinkage naman, okay, so that is, may program na rin yan. Sinkage, that is C11 divided by B2. Ano ba yung C11? Okay, so tignan natin kung nasaan ang C11. Nandito, that is your weight. Yeah, which is negative. Tapos ang B2 natin, that is your TPC. So, yun din yung formula, di ba? That is converted lang dito, divided by 100. Tapos dito naman yung change of trim, which is F11. F11 ito, yung trimming moment. Divided by B3. Ano ba yung B3? MCTC, ano? MCTC, ano? Kaya yan ay, kumbaga yan, kung gagawa ka niyan para hindi ka malito, lagyan mo ng color, no? For example, lagyan natin ng blue. Tapos yung automatic, lagyan mo ng color. Parang naka-white lang. Yung ano lang ang naka-white. Pero pala akong value doon. Galing natin ito. Yan. Lagyan yan, ano? Lagyan natin lahat ng color yan kasi automatic na lahat yan eh. Yan. Automatic lahat yan, ha? Ang hindi lang automatic dyan ay yung naka-white. So yan lahat yung automatic yan. You need to put the LCF, you need to put the TPC, MCTC, LBP, draft, initial draft, forward and draft. Tapos yung weight. Tapos ito naman ay okay, anyway, ganyan din yung aking bibigay ng problem sa inyo. Yung weight is dalawang load at saka dalawang discharge, no? And then yung ating LCG, lagay mo din diyan. So automatic na siya mag-compute because nilagyan mo ng formula, di ba? Tapos okay, your final draft will be automatic din dito. Paano mo ilalagay dito? Okay, your sinkage is always plus. Kita mo? Ay, sinkage po pala dito pala, no? This is 1028. Pag i-apply mo yung sinkage dito, always plus. Nakita mo yan, no? This one, always plus. Always plus kasi magiging negative yung sinkage mo pagka rise. Actually, this is rise, no? Hindi sinkage. So, dapat ilalagay ko dito is sinkage or rise. Sinkage or rise. Yan. Lagyan natin ng aerial narrow. Yan. And then this is your change of trim forward and aft. Lagi rin yan. Ito naman ay laging plus. Ito naman sa final draft is laging plus yung change of draft bow. Dito sa forward laging minus, dito sa aft laging plus. Ayan, napagbaliktad ko lang yan, ano? But we can transfer that para magaya yung aking turo. Pareho din ang result niyan, so wala problema. Tanggalin nga natin to. Okay, so remember, madali lang yan dahil wala tayong trigonometric function. Pero kung sakaling may trigonometric function, so tinuro ko na rin sa inyo na you need to use 57.3 at saka yung 180 divided by pi. Tapos open and close parenthesis. O kaya pi close and open parenthesis divided by 180. So yan lang mga conversion sa ano ha. Tanggalin ko na muna dito. Yan ang mga conversion sa tawag doon sa trigonometric functions, no? Kasi radians yun eh. So ikaw convert mo to degrees. Okay, so nakita nyo, meron tayo niyan. And okay, so let me check kung paano natin so dapat naka ano siya, naka page set up landscape. Pag naka landscape, hindi pa rin siya kuha. Okay, so hindi siya kuha. Wait, ayusin lang natin yan. Dali lang yan. Dito masyadong malayo. Para isang page lang. Yan, no? Control P. Okay, so isang page lang, no? Ngayon, pwede na natin yan i-convert sa PDF para yan ang submit nyo. I will accept that. Okay, convert natin sa PDF. Okay, so Acrobat, create PDF, convert to PDF. Yes. Save. Okay, so nakita niyo, no? Any question regarding that? Mukhang naintindihan niyo naman, ano? Okay, so this is way to shift to reduce the trim by a chosen amount, no? Ibig sabihin, we are going to shift a weight, probably ballast, para ma-reduce natin yung trim doon sa gusto niyong amount, no? So, for example, ikaw ay napakalaki ng trim, 2 meters, gusto mo na half meter lang, okay, so you can do that, ano? Okay, so here is your example, a sheet of 150 meters in length between perpendiculars has a draft forward of 8.2 meters and draft up of 9.40 meters. How much ballast water must be transferred from the after peak tank, LCG? Okay, so remember na yung LCG dyan is small g, or pinaliwanag ko naman kanina kay capital G yan, basta we are talking about the tank or the cargo, that is the LCG of the cargo, no? LCG 4 meters FOWAP to the 4-peak tank LCG 142 meters FOWAP, no? To reduce the trim to 0.4 meters by the stern. If the MCTC is 190 tons meter per centimeter. Tandaan mo na, basta yung MCTC at saka TPC laging per centimeter yan, ano? Kahit na nakalagay diyan tons meter lang, no? So anong gagawin natin diyan? Okay, so let's try to draw drawing natin yung barko. Okay, so meron kang 1.2. Kung ito yung barko mo, yung after peak mo is somewhere here, no? Somewhere there. Kaya yung distance niya from the perpendicular ay let's say mga 4 meters lang, no? Tapos yung 4 peak tank mo, normally ito yung 4 peak tank mo, nandyan. Buo yan hanggang doon. Sa deck. At ang nakasingit lang dyan yung chain locker at saka minsan may void space. Pero buo yan. Kaya mas malaki yan kaysa doon sa after peak, no? So, ang tanong dyan is ilan yung itatransfer natin tubig doon so that you can reduce your trim to 0.40. Okay, so this is how to calculate that. Calculate the initial trim, that is draft off and minus draft forward. Okay. Minus, that is your initial trim is 1.20 meters, no? Okay, so calculate the required change of trim, that is required trim is 0.40 as per given, yan ang gusto mo, that is your chosen amount. Your initial trim is 1.20 meters. So your required change of trim is 0.80 meters, and that is 80 centimeters by the head kasi negative, no? And then, okay, so dito nga, we are going to transfer yung ating, okay, as you can see, yung ating after peak tank. Ito yung ating after peak tank. This is our 4-peak tank. We are going to transfer there, no? So that's why your distance will be LCG 4-peak tank is equal to 142 meters. LCG after peak tank is equal 4 meters lang pala, no? 4 meters is equal to 4 meters. That is, your distance now is equal to 138 meters. No? Okay, then with the transpose, change of trim is equal to weight times distance divided by MCTC. Pero ang hinanap natin kasi is weight. That's why we need to transpose the formula. Transpose natin by cross multiplication. That is weight times distance is equal to change of trim times MCTC. Ngayon, multiply both sides by 1 over distance para makancel natin distance, and then 1 over distance. Then your formula will be weight is equal to the change of trim times MCTC divided by the distance. Okay, weight now is, yung ating change of trim is 80, which is negative 80, no? Centimeters. Times, ang ating MCTC is 190 tons meter per centimeter, and that is divided by the distance of 138 meters, no? 138 meters. So yung weight mo ngayon is equals, okay, so you can cancel yung centimeter kasi dito is over centimeter, you can cancel that, no? Tapos ito naman meter dito, you can cancel with the meter here. So maiwan will be tons. Okay, so we can solve now. That is 80. Okay, so 80, ulitin natin, 80 negative times 190 divided by 138 will give you 110.14, no? So that is 110.14. No? And actually, this is negative, no? Negative 138 kasi that is supposed to be ganito, no? Okay, burahin ko to para maintindihan nyo. Kasi papunta tayong forward. Remember that working forward is negative, no? Working forward is negative. So your LCG after peak tank, that is 4 meters. LCG for peak tank, that is 142 meters. Your distance will be, okay, minus mo yan. That will be, your distance is negative 138 meters. So here we will use negative. So your answer is negative times negative will become positive, no? Okay, so that is the required weight that will be transferred to the 4-peak tank or shifted to the 4-peak tank, no? Pero siyempre, you do not know what is the amount of this. Kaya ang gagawin natin yan is we need to transfer it to volume. Volume is equal weight divided by the density, no? Density of the water inside the tank. Pag nakuha mo naman yan, ang application yan, if this is your tank, okay, this is your tank, no? Doon sa after peak, no? Let's say dito is you have 7 meters, which is doon sa tank sounding table. This is let's say 500 cubic meters. Tapos pag na-calculate mo yung volume mo dito, let's say ang nakuha mong volume is 110 pa rin because your density is fresh water. For example lang yan, ha? Okay, so i-less mo sa 500 yung 110 minus 110. That is 390. Tama, 390, di ba? Cubic meters, no? Okay. So 390, hanapin mo dun sa table kung ano yung corresponding value. For example lang, example, ang corresponding value is 6 meters. So nakita mo, for example, ang nakita mo sa table is 6 meters, then hanapin mo yung 6 meters ngayon, yung bantayan mo yung 6 meters, which is, okay, so bantayan mo yung 6 meters, bantayan mo yan, then yung tubig na to, this will be transferred to the 4-peak tank, no? Kaya pagka yung sounding mo is 6 meters, stop na ang pumping, that is, nakapaglipat ka na sa 4-peak tank ng 110 tons, na? So yun, by volume tayo sa ang ano natin. So that is kung ang density mo is 1.025, eh syempre divide mo by 1.025. Okay, so let's go to the last topic, last problem. This is the weight to load to bring the ship to even keel. No? So ano naman to, no? Kakarga mo naman yung iyong barko so that your vessel will become even keel. Ibig sabihin, kung if your vessel is trimmed by the stern, ganyan, then we need to put somewhere here a tank, normally the 4-peak tank. Lagyan natin ng tubig, yung punuin natin para magpantay, maging even keel, no? Even keel siya. Okay, so here is an example. A ship of 150 meters in length between perpendiculars has a draft forward of 8.20 meters and draft up of 9.40 meters. How much ballast water must be pumped in to the 4-peak tank, LCG 142 meters FOAP, to bring the ship to an even keel if the TPC is 25 tons per centimeter, MCTC is 190 tons meter per centimeter pa rin yan, kasi MCTC, and LCF is 67 meters FOAP. Calculate the final draft. So ito naman ay galing sa dagat yung ikakarga mo because that is pumping in ballast water, no? So pagka ganyan naman, your distance will be from the LCF. Kaya distance ngayon, that is LCF minus LCG. O kaya pwede rin na LCG na magano, no? LCG na maliit. So your distance will be, ano LCF natin? LCF is 67 minus 142. That is equal to 67 minus 142 is negative 75. That is your distance, no? Meters. Okay, so the next step is to calculate the initial trim. That is drop up is 9.40 and drop forward is 8.20. So our initial trim is by the stern, that is 1.2 meters. The next step is to calculate the required change of trim. So ano ba yung required trim natin? The required trim is zero trim. Kasi we need to put the vessel to even keel. Even keel means zero trim, no? Kaya zero yan. And then your initial trim is 1.20 meters. So i-minus mo yan. So if you remember, dito may minus din natin yan, ha? So dito naman, subtract that. And your answer will be, your required change of trim is negative 1.20. So that is 120 centimeters by the head. No? Okay. Ngayon, the next step will be, okay, so how much ballast water? So we need to find the weight. So the weight is, the formula is change of trim times MCTC divided by your distance. So meron na tayong distance dyan, that which is negative 75. So that will be, ang change of trim natin is 120. By the head is negative times 120 centimeters. And that is the MCTC is 190 tons meter per centimeter yan. Divide it by your distance, which is negative 75 meters. Okay, so your answer will be centimeters. Pwede natin i-cancel yan doon sa per centimeter kasi over yun eh. So we can cancel that. Meter, we can cancel that also with the meter here. So the result will be, your weight will be in tons. 120 negative times 190 divided by okay, so 75, no? 75 negative. That is 304, no? So 304 positive. Kita nyo, that is positive, ha? So that is positive. $304 tons. Okay, so positive kasi kakarga natin yan kaya positive, di ba? We're going to pump that in from the sea to the forklift tank, no? Okay, so next step is to find the sinkage. So pwede na nating find the sinkage. So this is sinkage, siyempre, dahil loading of ballast, no? That is weight over TPC. So ang ating ano ba yung weight natin? That is 304 tons. What is our TPC? Our TPC is 25 tons per centimeter. So cancel mo yung dalawang tons, that is so 304 divided by 25, that is 12 na lang, not 12.16, no? So 12, that is 12 centimeters or 0.12 meters, no? And then we calculate the change of draft off. That is equal to LCF times change of trim over LBP, di ba? And that is LCF natin 67 meters times yung change of trim natin is 120 minus 120 centimeters divided by yung LBP natin is 150 meters. Cancel. Your result will be in centimeters, no? So calculate natin. As you can see here, this is 67 times 120 negative, tapos divided by 150. That is negative 53.6. So negative 54, no? So that is negative 54 centimeters or 0.54 meters. And then kunin natin yung so dito ko na isulat sa taas, ha? Change of draft forward, that is change of trim minus change of draft aft So that is equal to change of trim natin is 120 centimeters negative. Ang change of draft up natin is minus negative 54 centimeters. So this is positive. Positive negative will become negative. So 120 minus 54 is equal to 66, negative 66 centimeters. And then we apply now. We calculate the final draft, that is 9.40 at saka 9.40 at saka 8.20, and then your sinkage is 12. So you remember that this is always plus, mapa-sinkage or rise down. Then that is 9.52 and 8.32. And then your change of draft will be positive, plus pala, will be added in the aft part, and then the forward part will be minus. And this is negative, and this one is negative also. No? So this is positive negative will be minus. So 9.52 minus 0.54 is 8.98 meters. And then this one is minus 0.66. That is negative negative will be positive. Positive. So i-add mo yan. That is 8, 9, and 8. So as you can see, the result is 8.98 forward and aft. That is even keel. Kasi yun ang ating sinosolve. That is to bring the vessel to even keel. Okay, any question regarding that? Any question? Meron ba kayong hindi naintindihan dyan o kayang-kaya?
Kakayanin ho.
Okay, so I will stop sharing. I will end this meeting, and thank you for listening. Thank you for joining. See you again on
Thank you, sir.
okay.
Thank you po, sir.
Okay, salib na ako.